This might be the best sneaker releasing in April, and the crazy part is you still might not buy this sneaker. I'm gonna let y'all know why I think that is, but if you do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Get this to over 200 likes and I'll drop the early review for this sneaker. This one's actually releasing in a couple weeks, so you still got some time. They might even sit low-key. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out any of the fire content we have coming. More early heat on the way. I've been back on my shit again, but opening this box, we got some heat that y'all still can't see. Boom. The anticipation is crazy. This shit is upside down. Hold on. We got some heat. I'm trying to tell y'all. Flight logo on the top. Jumpman, obviously. Box is a little damaged, but what can I do? I got these in a size 10. Color code is sail black, light or wood brown. Some straight heat. These go crazy, family. I'm gonna show y'all the quick little preview on them. Full review coming soon. If y'all smash that like button, I'll get that out for y'all ASAP. But let's pull these out the box and see what they actually looking like. Oh my, these are fire, bro. What? Exposed tongue and all that. This is the perfect spring shoe. Jordan Brand low-key been killing it, bro. Let me see some. We do got a problem though. These is new, but this should have been leather, but it's fire, son. Let me lower my exposure, pull both sneakers out, and I'm gonna show you all the little details real quick. These do actually come with a cardboard separating the sneakers to protect that nubuck suede. These right here are a major problem. Look at that colorway on these. Tongue has a different type of material I've never seen. It's almost like a leathery looking cloth. Can't explain it. They have an exposed tongue. I love that they have those sail laces and the outsole. I feel like down the line this will yellow a little bit more, but it'll almost make the sneaker look even better because that's the whole theme for this shoe. I love the way these are executed. That all over sail color, almost like a reverse Oreo type vibe. Does have the speckles inside the shark teeth. Regular Jumpman on the back. Obviously this isn't an OG color, so that's expected. Sail Jordan 5s almost remind me of the Ama Manier, simply because they have that same type of almost a color but not a color kind of vibe. These have a really light gray, supposed to be white color, and then these have a really close white sail color. It's the warmer or cooler version of white. I would kind of compare these. Let me know in the comments if y'all can notice Jordan Brand is low-key slimming down the 5 even on regular releases. This bubble is still evident unlike this pair, but if y'all notice it's not really too much thicker compared to previous releases like the Jade 5s. The Jordan 5 SE Sail releases on April 13th at a retail of $210, which gives me the inkling that this might even sit, bro. Nobody is out here paying $200 for the shoes when they know that in a few weeks they're gonna go down. So if y'all are interested in these, I feel like it might be another one of those shoes that we see go on sale for 20-30% off. Then again, this could also be a limited colorway, which is kind of what I'm hearing. So if it's a shoe that you know you really want, I would recommend to go for it. But you could take your chances. Even though it would be limited, I feel like this isn't a shoe that's going to go for anything crazy. There's no collab tied to it, even though this is a very beautiful sneaker. I love that aged outsole, the colorway, the speckles on the shark teeth tie this together to the Oreos. For me, I think it's almost a reverse version of it, so I do appreciate it a little bit more. Do I feel like it's a sneaker you need to buy? If you have a lot of things similar to this, then no. But if you don't have something cream and black, no Diddy, or even a Jordan 5 in the lighter colorway, I would recommend it. Unless you already have these, this is way too close in my opinion. Hey, if y'all want to have both, it's on you, buddy. I definitely feel like they are tinkering with the shape though, because the tongue is thinner, collar is a little bit thinner as y'all could see, and I'm here for it. We all want this look without having to have a super big sneaker, and I think that's partially why they're doing that. Could just be because it is a special edition 5 at the end of the day. But that does it for this quick first look. If y'all want that full early review, I'm gonna give y'all a little glimpse of the on feet right now. I could take these outside, wear them, and show y'all what they looking like. So make sure y'all get this to over 200 likes. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30K. I've been loving the consistency I've had recently. We're gonna keep going, keep keep growing, more early heat on the way always. I have another pair coming in the next couple of days that actually releases this week, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Some heat actually. These are coming soon. I got a couple more videos to knock out, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, which is one of these 2 videos. Make sure you click one of those. You might enjoy it, bro. I've been picking up a lot of heat. There's a lot of fire videos I've been releasing, so click one of those 2 and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.